Bienvenue à votre guide ultime du travail et du voyage à l'étranger. Voici Laura.
Avec James.
Et nous sommes à... Réalité ou mytho cette semaine. Top, c'est parti. Le Coca-Cola a toujours été commercialisé comme boisson gazeuse.
Myth. Coca-Cola was originally designed and marketed as a pharmaceutical product to relieve headaches and nervous disorders.
Certaines tribus de Papouasie-Nouvelle-Guinée pratiquent jusqu'à présent le cannibalisme.
Fact. The practice has been largely abandoned, but is still considered an essential tradition.
Le rat obnu est insensible à la douleur et peut vivre jusqu'à 30 ans.
Fact. The naked rat mole produces an acid that makes them elastic, by so doing preventing them from any injuries.
Certains poissons, comme le poisson perroquet, créent du sable en mangeant le corail.
Fact. A single parrotfish produces about 100 kilograms of sand each year.
Le cœur d'une baleine bleue est si grand qu'un humain pourrait pratiquement nager à travers ses artères.
Fact. It is the largest heart in the animal kingdom.
Combien de faits avez-vous trouvé cette semaine? Dites-moi en commentaire.
On to tidbits, Globus Education Systems has sealed a partnership deal with a biomedical institute, St. Louis University Institute. The deal signed on St. Louis's Bonamusadi campus between Globus representative Dr. Chupi Raphael, Dr. Serm, and St. Louis representative Dr. Mrs. Nguyen Florence and Nguyen Rendell had classes that will benefit students of the institution as they leave school. St. Louis University Institution is a private higher education institution born out of a clear conviction of the promoter to position the university in the top or at the top in Cameroon. On to other news, a joint release by the Ministry of Higher Education and the Ministry of Public Health on August 16, Friday, after an interministerial meeting on the training of paramedics, has resolved that there will be a readjustment from the 2024-2025 academic year of the training of health professionals to align them to training cycles towards obtaining the state diplomas issued by the Ministry of Public Health. Nonetheless, these trainees will sit for an aptitude test in October, organized by the Ministry of Public Health and the National Council of Paramedical Professionals for admission. However, the health training stakeholders will also create and operate a training program for paramedical engineers in line with the legislative and regulatory procedures in force.
Après avoir vu cette vidéo, vous ne resterez plus chez vous sans une bouteille de Coca-Cola. En effet, le Coca-Cola contient de l'acide phosphorique qui aide à enlever la rouille de vos objets. C'est simple. Vous prenez un petit récipient, vous mettez à l'intérieur du Coca-Cola, ensuite vous insérez tous vos objets rouillés à l'intérieur. Selon l'intensité de la rouille, vous pouvez les laisser pendant 2 heures, 3 heures, 4 heures, voire même toute la nuit, et au revoir la rouille. Vos objets seront comme neufs.
So if I put my rust earring inside Coca-Cola, the next morning I will see it.
It will be shining and clean.
I will try that hack.
Now, something else, autre chose, par rapport aux bijoux, puisque tu en parles. Cette astuce est précisément pour les bijoux en métaux. Donc, si vos bijoux sont en pierres précieuses ou bien en perles, ne l'utilisez pas. Vous allez prendre un bol, un petit bol, dans lequel vous allez mettre une feuille de papier alu et ensuite vous versez de l'eau tiède à l'intérieur. Ensuite, vous prenez 2 à 3 cuillères à café de bicarbonate de soude, baking soda. Vous remuez légèrement et vous insérez à l'intérieur tous vos bijoux qui sont soit délavés, soit sales, soit qui ont perdu leur éclat. Que ce soit boucle d'oreille, collier, bracelet. Et vous laissez mijoter quelques minutes. Ce mélange-là va faire ressortir l'éclat du premier jour de vos bijoux.
As you're just speaking like this, I have one very chain.
Yeah.
I'm going to try that.
Ok.
Yes.
Tu essayes ça et tu nous dis la semaine prochaine. Vous aussi, essayez, vous allez nous dire en commentaire comment ça s'est passé. Et si vous avez d'autres astuces similaires, n'hésitez pas de commenter et de partager. Et nous serons ravis de lire vos commentaires et de partager également avec tous les autres auditeurs.
On our spotlight today, we'll be taking on a guest, so stay tuned. Welcome, Pamela, to Tribus. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So you were one of the coordinators for the direct admission and direct recruitment event that took place in 4 towns. We are Douala, Yaoundé, and Bamenda. We are in Douala and we are right.
Yeah, well.
So briefly tell us, right, the attendance and how the prospect participated in the towns we went to. And just briefly remind them about the towns we went to and how the participation was overall.
Okay. Oh, so I was in Douala and Briller, and the participation was actually very, very massive. We received people from different sources where they get the information on social media, from churches, from words of mouth, and all of that. And from the statistics I got from Yaoundé and Bamenda, the turnout was also good.
Okay.
So we received over 300 to 400 people.
Wow.
And we got some clients, and it was really a great event. And those I missed, I don't know, but it was really a great event.
Talking about those who missed the event, does this mean they miss totally on everything, or they miss this stand a chance to get some of these opportunities to travel or study abroad?
Oh, well, they missed some parts of, how can I put it? I think they missed seeing our partners, but some of them are still around, and so they didn't miss completely. So they can come to us. We are still in our main office at headquarters in Yaoundé, Carrefour and Tandao, 6th floor commercial bank building, so they can still come. They can still get to us through our different social media platforms to get the information. And we're always there to receive it.
Thank you very much for honoring the invitation and coming to tell us about how the event went down in Boya and Douala. Please do us to subscribe, to like, comment, and share on our YouTube channel. Thank you again.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Nous vous remercions d'avoir fait ce voyage avec nous cette semaine et nous vous disons à la semaine prochaine.
Please do us to comment, to share, to subscribe, and to like. See you next time.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Affordable education for all.